Hey everyone, so today I'm going to try and attempt a cake in under 30 minutes, and because you guys requested it, I'm going to try and create Olaf. I'm actually going to try and do this in 15 minutes. I think it's a pretty simple cake, you know. There's not that many features, just a nose, 2 eyes, and he only has 1 tooth, which is going to make that very easy. Is this what I push? Okay, and it starts. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is cut the cake in half. Oh my god, I should have had my cake stand, but that's a bad sign. Oh my god, terrible omen. Okay, I don't know how safe this is, but it's working out. Careful, sharp knife. Okay, so we need buttercream in between. Look how even that layer is. Good job. Buttercream into the middle of the cake, like that. I think I'm gonna cover this entire cake with buttercream because it makes it easier since he's already white. How come it's not playing? Oh, what? It wasn't on. How many seconds was that? Okay, well I gotta wait a little bit because the timer didn't start. I think that was like 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Well, I'll just deduct a minute just to be safe. Dun, 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 dun. And resume time. Okay, so we got this cake. This cake is crumbling. So his cheeks are like this, so I'm just gonna cut like that much. Okay, that seems like a good amount of cake. And his face is like that. Okay, so 13 minutes. Don't laugh. Stop laughing. Be serious. This could be a disaster for you. Okay, okay. Is that right? I don't know. I think that's right. I'm gonna carve down here just a little bit so I can give him an upper lip. Oh, but then his eyes are even lower. So how do I do that? Is it like this? I think it's like that. So we're gonna cut a little bit here. And next thing I'm gonna do is cover my cake. Hey, don't screw this up. You ran out of icing. That's all of it. Come on, please don't show the crumbs. I don't have any more icing. I can't fix this if I screw up. Looking good. 10 minutes left. Oh my god. Why was I taking my time on carving? Let this be a win. I just want to win. God, I've had so many disasters. So, oh, that looks terrible. Oh well, I gotta move on. Okay, so what do we do now? I need to roll out all my fondant. Oh, that's okay. So indecisive. Okay, this I'm gonna roll out my white fondant for his eyes and his tooth, his 1 tooth, which is very important. It wouldn't be so important if he had more than 1 tooth, but he only has 1, so I gotta make sure this counts. Okay, so we're gonna roll out the white fondant. There's crumbs! That's okay. No one can see it, it's fine. Okay, cookie cutter. White eyes. Okay, so we need 2 for his eyes, right? I need the blue for the inside of his mouth. Come on, it's so hard. 8 minutes. I think I got this. Oh my god. Okay, it's like that. What kind of technique is this? We'll put you here for now. So I got pupils for his eyes. Oh, his eyebrows! Keep some for his eyebrows. I gotta make the ugly carrot. It's just ugly, so just make an ugly shape. 5 minutes to go. Okay, and that goes in there. Oh my god. I don't want to get icing on top. Oh, I did it! Stop it! And now we have his tooth that goes there. Okay, now his eyes go right there. Okay, are they close together? Yeah, they're like placement of his eyes over here. So his eyebrows come next. Oh, I hate that I keep getting icing. Ah, got to start over. Come on, the eyebrows are everything. Don't ruin the eyebrows. Oh my god. Okay, I'm doing good on time, I think. And then this eyebrow goes a little bit higher just because it adds a little bit character to his face. So I'm just gonna use icing for this. And we're gonna add a catch light. I need to do the twigs. He's got 3 twigs in his hair. This isn't even the right color. I don't even think this is brown. It looks like dirty pink. This is like the color of the gum you find under the desk. Here we go. And then we're going to add this over here. Oh my god, it doesn't look terrible. Okay. 2 minutes. And I can add some texture to his nose. Just a little bit with my knife. Look at that. It's texture to his nose. Cause guess what? I'm done! Stop. Yes! Wow. I'm proud of this. 2 minutes to spare, you guys. Actually, I'm gonna start the timer and just use it so I can clean the plate. That's good cake. That's a really good cake. I did a really good job on the nose, and I think the eyebrows look really nice too. And I can't believe I got the shape pretty close. I didn't think I was gonna get that either. Now I'm curious, what other character or person, celebrity, should I create in under 30 minutes? Let me know in the comments and I might be creating your suggestion. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you. I'll see you very soon. Bye. 30 seconds to spare.